Krishna Engineering's metallizing equipments offer numerous advantages for coating and drying paint on various products such as jewelry items, cosmetic items, and other similar products. Some of the key advantages of using their metallizing equipments are 1. Efficient and uniform coating. Krishna Engineering's metallizing spray painting booth ensures an even and consistent coating on the objects. This helps in achieving a high-quality finish and enhances the overall appearance of the coated products. 2. Faster drying times. The metallizing oven provided by Krishna Engineering is designed to expedite the drying process of the painted items. This results in reduced production time and increased productivity for the users. 3. Versatility. These metallizing equipments are adaptable and suitable for a wide range of products, including jewelry items and cosmetic products. 4. Precise and controlled application. Krishna Engineering's PVD coating plant offers precise control over the coating process. 5. Cost-effective. The efficient coating and drying process of these equipments contribute to cost savings for the users. Reduced production time, minimized material wastage, and enhanced productivity all lead to improved cost-effectiveness in the long run. 6. Environmentally friendly. Krishna Engineering prioritizes sustainability and environmental responsibility. The company's metallizing equipments are designed with eco-friendly features, such as energy, efficient components, and emission control systems, reducing the impact on the environment. 7. Durability and reliability. 8. Customization options. Krishna Engineering understands the unique requirements of different industries and offers customization options to cater to specific needs. In summary, Krishna Engineering offers high-quality metallizing equipments for coating and drying paint on various items. Advantages include uniform coating, quick drying, versatility, precise application, cost-effectiveness, eco-friendliness, durability, and global reputation. Customization and excellent support provided. Enhance finishes, reduce production time, and promote environmental responsibility.